Now, the physical education teacher at Vere Technical, who is accused of using a piece of PVC pipe to beat a 13-year-old student athlete, leaving bruises on November 1, has been arrested and charged by the Clarendon Police. According to the head of the Clarendon Police, Senior Superintendent Vendalyn Cameron Powell, the coach, Sashona Wellington, is now scheduled to appear before the courts within the next 2 weeks.
Well, it did happen based on our investigation. We have arrested and charged the female coach. So she will be going to court on the 23rd of November to answer to the charge of assault, occasioning actual bodily harm, assault or the arm. So she has been charged and she will be going to court on the 23rd of November.
According to the Offences Against the Person Act, any person convicted upon an indictment of any assault occasioning actual bodily harm shall be liable to be imprisoned for a term not exceeding 3 years with or without hard labor.
It's not really a widespread or very popular situation in the parish where we have such situation. It's not widespread. But what I can tell you is that anytime it is brought to our attention, we are going to investigate, and if we have the necessary and relevant evidence, we are going to make sure we prepare our case file and place the person before the court. And this is exactly what is happening now.